So hi everyone, here it is. This is Omate by nanoblock, and look at that box. Very well protected with this foam, and here's a beautiful box out of it. So I would show you, I will remove these stickers on the side. This is just to make sure the cap doesn't go out. So let me just remove. Then you just like open it this way. So we put, we set the watch with its own, as you can see, the straps is locked. So this is very important for you to understand that we set the straps this way to show you that you can basically clip this way. Any link can be unclipped, and you can do it this way as well. Look, very easy to remove. So then you have the watch out. And you can, so here are the nanoblocks. So your child can set on it and customize as it wish. So here is the cable, like the charging cradle. It's just magnetic, so it's super easy to charge, and you just connect it to any standard adapter. That be European adapter or US smartphone adapter. And at the end you have this extra straps, like silicone straps. So here is white for the white model and black for the black model. So now we will show you how to connect the Omate by nanoblock watch to a smartphone, and Wency actually will show it on our iPhone. So it's super easy. You just need to scan this QR code through the Welcome app, and immediately it will load. Then you just need to enter a few information about the wearer, so about your child, about the name, obviously the age, the weight, the age. This is for the pedometer information. And after that step, so now we will initiate a video call. So you will see how it look like from the watch side. So when she's just calling, and here it is. I will just take it. Hey, hi. Okay, awesome. So here it's how it look like on the watch, and you have the same experience from the smartphone. So that was the demo on how to use your 1 hour video call every month. And I see you. Bye.